Hi, this is Damien, and I'm working on a 66 Ford Bronco. And this one, I'm tidying up the engine compartment for the customer. Filled in a lot of holes on the inner fenders. And that MSD box now mounts at the back of that against the firewall. So that thing will be hidden. This is where the battery tray is going to live. And I bought a new master cylinder to replace this rusty one. And doing new battery tray from Wild Horses. It's a kit. The accelerator, linkage, boot, new hood pins and latch, gaskets for the vents against the hood. So that unit right there. And that's your power steering bracket, power booster bracket rather, and powder coated all the brackets that come with the hood lift. They were starting to corrode, and freshening up the air cleaner as well. So that's it. It's the early Bronco, and let's see what else has it got. It's got disc brakes in there. It's got a C4 column shift, and it's got a nice visor setup on it, and I believe drum brakes back there. Yep. And doesn't look too bad.